In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Gusto employee account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your account quickly and securely so you can view pay stubs, benefits, time off, and more without any hiccups. First, start on the Gusto sign-in page. On the page, look for the Sign In button. It's typically easy to spot near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click it to open the login form. If the page ever looks a little different due to updates, just keep an eye out for the familiar sign-in wording or icon. It serves the same purpose. Next, you can enter the email and password for your employee account. Make sure you're using the same email address that your employer used when setting you up in Gusto. Many people have both personal and work emails, so double-check that you're typing the correct one. When entering your password, watch out for common issues like caps lock being on, extra spaces, or using an old password saved in your browser. If you prefer, use a password manager to autofill securely. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Your Password link on the Sign In form and follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. Just be sure to complete the process from the same browser tab to avoid confusion. If you'd rather not type a password, you can choose Sign In with Google. Select the Google option on the sign-in page, pick the Google account that matches the email on your Gusto profile, and approve any prompts that appear. If you use multiple Google accounts, choose the one tied to your Gusto employee profile to avoid being redirected or denied access. You may be asked to verify your identity, such as approving a prompt on your phone or entering a code. Simply follow what's shown on screen. After you submit your email and password, or finish signing in with Google, Gusto may prompt you for additional verification for security. Complete that step, and you'll land on your employee dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place by checking for your name and the employee options like pay, benefits, and time off. If something doesn't look right, sign out and try again with the correct email, or contact your employer's administrator for access help. For smooth logins in the future, keep your browser updated, allow trusted cookies for the site, and sign out when you're done, especially on shared computers. That's it. You've successfully learned how to log into your Gusto employee account using either your email and password or sign in with Google.